Hi everyone, welcome back to our SSC CGL preparation for beginners 100 MCQs series. We have already completed set 1 and set 2 and today we are moving on to set 3, that is general awareness for beginners, and set 4, exam strategy and preparation tips. Let's continue your practice and boost your SSC CGL preparation step by step. Question number 1. Who wrote National Anthem? Right answer is option A, Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 2. Who is the President of India in 2025? Right answer is option A, Draupadi Murmu. Question number 3. Capital of India is? Right answer is option A, New Delhi. Question number 4. Father of nation is? Option B, Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 5. Currency of India is? Option B, rupee. Number 6. National animal of India is? Option A, tiger. Next question is, longest river in India is? Option A, Ganga. Question number 8. PM of India in 2025? Option A, Narendra Modi. Question number 9. Largest planet is? Right answer is option B, Jupiter. Next question is, first president of India? Right answer is option A, Rajendra Prasad. National flower of India is? Option A, lotus. Next question is, Taj Mahal is located in? Right answer is option B, Agra. Next question is, which gas do we inhale? Right answer is option A, oxygen. Next question is, who invented light bulb? Option A, Edison. Indian Constitution came into effect in? Right answer is option B, 1950. Question number 16. Which state is known as Land of Rising Sun? The correct answer is option B, Arunachal Pradesh. Next question is, national fruit of India is? Option B, mango. Next question is, smallest state of India by area is? Option A, Goa. Next question is, national game of India recognized? Option B, none. Which festival is called Festival of Lights? It's option B, Diwali. Question number 21. Which is not a union territory? Right answer is Goa. Next question is, ISRO is related to? Option A, space, which is a renewable source of energy. Right answer is option B, solar. Next question is, where is Parliament of India located? Right answer is option A, Delhi. Next question is, Indian Constitution has how many schedules? Right answer is option A, 12. Set 4, exam strategy and preparation tips. Here is the first question. First step to start SSC CGL prep is, right answer is option B, check syllabus. Question number 2, best book for quant basics is, right answer is option A, R.S. Agarwal. Next question is, which section improves by solving puzzles? Right answer is option A, reasoning. Question number 3, daily newspaper reading helps in. Right answer is option A, GK and English. Question number 5, which is most scoring section in Tier 1 for many students? Right answer is option A, English. Next question is, previous year papers help in. Option B, understanding exam pattern. Next question is, mock test should be given. Option A, weekly. Next question is, which app is useful for GK practice? Right answer is option B, GK or quiz apps. Question number 9, formula revision is needed in. Option B, quant. Question number 10, SSC CGL exam strategy must include. Right answer is option A, time management. Next question is, to improve vocabulary one must. Option A, learn dictionary daily. Question number 12, shortcut tricks are useful in. Right answer is option A, reasoning and quant. Next question is, revision should be done. Option A, daily. Full form of PYQ is. Option A, previous year questions. For beginners, first focus should be. Option A, strong basics. Question number 16, best time to study for most students. Option A, early morning. Next question is, to avoid negative marking. Option B, attempt only sure answers. Next question is, daily study hours for working aspirants. Option A, 2 to 4 hours. Next question is, best resource for grammar. Option A, Wren and Martin. Question number 20. Role of current affairs in SSC CGL. Option A, very important. Question number 21. Which exam stage has no marks but qualifying only? Right answer is option B, Tier 4. Next question is SSC CGL cutoff depends on. Right answer is option B, vacancies and difficulty. Next question is what should be avoided during exam preparation? Option A, procrastination. Daily target for beginners should be. Right answer is option A, syllabus and revision. Question number 25. Key to SSC CGL success. Right answer is option A, consistency. Thanks for watching. Drop your score in the comments and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more GK quizzes.